Marami nagtatanong, sample meal plan. Okay. Kung mga 1,200 calories lang ang natin a day, 3 beses lang natin gagawin to. Kung 2,000 calories or more, 5 beses to 6 times. Alright? Ito, more of parang itsura ito, sobrang clean eating. Kayo yung gumagawa. No salt, no oil, no added fats, no added sugar. So, ganito lang. Breakfast. 1 whole egg, 3 egg whites, 1 apple, or half a cup of rice, or half sweet potato. Meal 2, chicken breast. Mga ganyan lang kalaki dito sa palm natin. Tapos 2 asparagus, 2 broccoli, or half a cup of rice. Meal 3, fish. Pwedeng salmon, pwedeng tuna, or pwedeng yung mga nabibili lang sa lata. Ganun lang. Tas half a cup of rice. Yun. Consistent kayo yan. So, go-workout kayo everyday. Workout everyday. May weightlifting, may walking, may jogging, may swimming, may sports. Yan.